Good evening friend. Today's topic is language. Language is more important topic. According to me, compared to language, knowledge and talent is more important. We know that there is so many languages in this world. Every country has their own language, every state has their own language, every district has their own language. Every parts of world there is a different languages. What's the use of language? What's mean language? The use of language is only communication way. One person understand another person's feelings, expressions, what they want to say. For that, language is important. But we are giving more importance to language. We know that in this world there is a two country, most important country, developed country, China and Japan. Chinese people they don't use English language in their country. They use their own language. Chinese people use Chinese language for holding, for everything, for research, for education. In their education, they give importance to their own language. They give importance to their own culture. They are developed. They are not only developed in GDP, they are not only developed in financial sector, they are developed technologically. They are developed all those things, living of standard, all those things they develop without English language. Second example is Japan. Japanese people give more importance to their language, to their own culture, to their own things. They are developed. They are developed in all sectors, all things, many things. Financially, they are developed, all things, without English language. I know English is an international language, but compared to knowledge, compared to talent, we are giving more importance to English language. Japanese people, Chinese people, they don't give importance to English language. Still, they are developed. They have all types of power, financial develop, and all things. They are developed country. We know that they are developed country. But in our country, people are giving more importance to English language. If any person, if he doesn't talk in English, people think that he is not smart, he doesn't have knowledge. All those things. He come from rural area, he come from village area. This is the mentality of our people. In our country, we are giving more importance to English language compared to anything. We only understand that English is most important. If people talk in English, that's okay. He is know everything. He has talent, he has knowledge, all those things. Only we are giving one importance to one language, not a person, not education, not other thing. We are giving only English language. The giving importance to English language, this is not good thing. I see most of time in most of program, functions and all those festival, many festivals and many things when people together for any lecture, for any celebration, people always try to insult that person who can't speak in English, who can't communicate in English language. They try to insult that people, that person many times. This is not good. If it's in public sector, private sector, we can't get a good job because of English, because we can't speak in English. So they don't offer you good job, good position. They reject you many times because of English language. In public sector also, there is an impression. If you are speaking English, that means your impression, your good impression. If you are not speaking in English, then there is nothing. This is our Indian people mentality. I am not talking about all people. I am talking about particular people who are giving importance to English language, and many times they are insulting to other people that they are not speaking in English language. Means compared to people, compared to knowledge, compared to talent, English is more important. This is not good thing. Who people thinks that language is important? Language is for only communication. Only understanding, nothing more than understanding, more than communication, but still people are trying to give importance to language. Why they are giving more importance to language, I don't know, but this is not good thing. This is harmful for our development, for many things. So if we want to develop ourselves, our nation, our country, we should learn something from Japanese people, learn something from Chinese people. They are Asian countries and we are also, we should learn something from them. But some people who are giving importance to language, language is nothing. But this is our mentality, this is our bad mentality. We have to change this mentality earlier. Thank you.